Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. How's everybody doing? So today we have an unboxing and a little treat at the end, so stay tuned to see what it is. So first off, we're gonna start off with unboxing this particular box. These are two organization drawers. They were securely wrapped, everything was intact. These are all the pieces. It was easy and simple to assemble, and the instructions were very clear in my opinion. You just stick these little things in that little hole right there, and then voila, this is how it looks. Then you turn it over, and this is in this little corner right here. You just stick that piece in, and now I have 3 more to go. This is how everything is looking, coming together nicely. Now we need to add the top part to it. And just secure it firmly. Just like the instructions. Voila, it's all done. Now we put in the drawer. And the drawer comes with a divider, so it's up to you. You could either insert the divider and create 2 separate parts in the drawer, or just use it as is. I personally like it both ways, but I end up using it without the divider. Voila, this is all for assembled together, looking real nice. All I have to do is just give it a good clean, sanitize it. You know, it's still clean, but you know. And this is what everything looks like, guys, all in the fridge. I'm not done organizing, and we still need to go grocery shopping some more, but this is what everything is looking like so far. Please don't judge me, guys. So we just did something quick and simple, and this is what we have here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, bye.